see it walking up and down 3rd Avenue.
Drugs. Different kinds, different forms, but the same problem.
I think every family has had somebody who's been affected by fentanyl somehow or knows somebody who has.
Which is why the spokesperson for the King County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, Casey McNerney, says it is important to address the drug dealers. So far this year, the King County Prosecuting Attorney's Office filed 125 felony drug dealing cases. More than 77% of those involved fentanyl and or methamphetamine.
Every day we look at the medical examiner's report and see people of all ages who die of fentanyl.
You can see that data here through the Seattle and King County Public Health Overdose Data Dashboard. As of August 15th this year, 670 people have died from confirmed drug overdose or alcohol poisoning. Last year, the CDC found U.S. drug overdose deaths went down 3% for the first time in 5 years. But the battle is still ongoing.
The numbers are going down slightly, but that it's certainly far from mission accomplished.
While those numbers go down, the number of drug busts we're hearing about are going up. In King County, McNerney says these drugs are coming up and down the I-5 corridor.
And that's a big problem. There isn't a neighborhood or a community in King County that isn't affected by the fentanyl epidemic.
Fox 13's David Rose sat down with the special agent in charge of the DA in Seattle who says their focus is on fentanyl, meth, and the cartels distributing those drugs.
We're on track to see fewer pills this year than last, but we're on track to seize more powder fentanyl than last year.
He believes that's because powder fentanyl can be put into other substances and be used in other ways.
If you put fentanyl, which is highly addictive, a small amount into cocaine, you're going to get a user addicted to the cocaine that comes from that source.
Which has those buyers coming back for more.
We want people to know that when they're in downtown Seattle for work or when they're going to a Mariners game and they see people that are dealing fentanyl and wonder, is anybody doing anything about this? Yes, police are, and so are King County prosecutors.
King County health data shows the number of overdoses involving cocaine are keeping pace with fentanyl and meth cases. And you can see more of David Rose's interview with the DA on the Spotlight tomorrow night. In the newsroom, Shira Matsuzawa, Fox 13 News.